Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, or if you're new here, hi, my name is Lauren. I'm a full-time busy working mom and I have an annual pass. I love to go to Disney a lot. So a lot of this stuff that you're going to see in today's haul are things for my daughter and things that I think you might want to take on your next Disney trip. Alright, so let's get into it. These are just going to be pulled out of the bag at random. Alright, so the first thing, I believe this was a set that I ordered for my daughter. How adorable is this? So this, I don't know, like possibly we could get away with wearing something like this at Epcot or maybe the resort, but it is summertime, so I thought this would be an adorable little outfit to just wear. So here's the top, and it comes with these little matching shorts. We're actually going to a birthday party tomorrow, so maybe this would be a good outfit for that tomorrow. Alright, now, if you have a toddler girl, you might have this problem. We're always losing ponytails. So these I got at an impeccable price. They're a little bit of ponytails. I don't have to worry. I could put them in her hair and go to daycare. They don't have to come home. And I know that these didn't cost me $3 for 10 of them. These only cost, I think, like 50 cents or 89 cents or something for a whole bag. So we're good to go for a while here. And sticking with the hair accessories, because I'm a girl mom, I bought all this bows. You can never have enough bows because, again, sometimes I put them in her hair in daycare and they don't come home. I don't know what happens to them, but it looks like I've ordered 2 sets, so that way I could do pigtails. And these, I want to say they're probably the 3-inch ones. Look like the pinwheel bow. Yeah, they're about pinwheel bow. They're about 3 inches. So definitely a great deal. A lot cheaper than ordering on Amazon, that's for sure. Some of this stuff, I want to get into the Disney stuff at the end, so let me go through some of this other stuff. So allegedly these are personalized waterproof labels. My daughter's name is Lucia, so I plan to use these on things like her water bottles, her backpack, stuff like that. So these were, again, a pretty good deal. Yeah, so we'll see. I'll have to report back to let you know how they worked. And then these little flowers, I didn't actually know these were plastic, so this is kind of cool. I got a variety, and it looks like they've given me 2 for each color. Here's the bag with, so you can see there's like a yellow, pink, purple, white. So there's these little clips. I thought these would be adorable to put either in her hair or my hair when we're doing like dressing or bounding like Rapunzel. So yeah, these are super cute, and yeah, I think that would be cute to put in like a braid. They're super small. The little clip is only about like a little over a ½ inch maybe. I don't even remember what this is, so we're about to find out. Oh, I think I might remember. I think it might be for my husband for his contacts. I don't know. Sometimes you just get like, oh, okay, I think we need that. Let me add that to cart. Oh. Did I order this? Okay, I totally don't remember ordering this. I don't know if they just threw it in here by mistake. It's like a little handheld mirror. Very confused. Of course, there's no packing slip. I'll have to check my invoice, but I totally don't remember ordering this. Weird. I previously bought this in white, and it seems to have gone missing in our house. So I bought this in pink now, and this is basically, my daughter has super curly hair, and it gets tangled very easily. So it's really to make things a lot easier in the morning, especially because my husband has to do her hair before he drops her off at daycare. So is this misting thing. This should work similar to the other one I bought on here, but yeah, it's definitely really great, and it was a great deal. I think it was like $1 or less than $1. So we misplaced ours. I'm sure it's like somewhere behind the couch or something, but I figured because of this great price, why not just pick up a misting bottle for her hair. Alright, then we have 3 more things, and I think there might be another package en route, so don't be surprised if you see me in another outfit in a few minutes. Okay, so these are like cable ties I bought. they're like a variety. So my plan was to wrap up things like our charger, and there's like a little, you can kind of like keep everything tied up neatly for all your cords. And then what I planned to do was I found this little thing. This is a bag specifically for those said chargers. So I don't know, I didn't expect for it to be this tiny, to be honest, but it should work. I don't know, I'll have to see. You're gonna see if it makes it into my September Disney packing video. So again, yeah, like my plan is to wrap up my charger cord because I have we have magic bands that have to get charged. We have my camera. We have, of course, my phone charger, my laptop charger, and yeah, we have a lot of things to charge. Oh, and the fans. Don't forget the fans. That's the most important thing with Disney. So I thought this was good you could see what everything is. You could see if you have everything, what you're missing, and yeah, we're going to make it neat. Let's see if this makes it into our September packing. All right, last thing for today. I already have these, but to be honest, when you buy these on Amazon, they're about like $18. So I did find these on Shein, and they're the same ones, same pack, same everything it looks like. So these are the Disney socks. So they have Donald, Winnie the Pooh, which would have been helpful for when we went to Crystal Palace last time. We have Minnie and Mickey. Oh, and Daisy. I'll show that in a second. So we have Minnie, Mickey, and Daisy. So yeah. All right, that's it for today. Let's see, because I know we have things that were not in this package. They must be en route. So stay tuned. All right, guys, I told you I'd be back. Don't mind my Halloween-esque vibe. I have filmed another vlog today. I'm sure that went up before this one, so go ahead and check that out if you're interested in seeing what Mickey's Not So Scary Halloween Party is all about. Anyway, let me get back into the haul because maybe you want to see that. All right, so my second package arrived, so I believe that this is everything now. Now, I have to say, I was kind of like disappointed I did not read, apparently, because I got this whole bundle of stuff. It's got like the different ponios, there's different like barrettes and whatnot in here, but I thought, because I'm gonna see if I could insert a picture here of what I thought I was getting. I thought I was getting a caboodle filled with this stuff. Of course, right? For, I think this was like $5 or $6, so I feel like it was a little misleading, but maybe I didn't read the fine print. So this kind of got me, and I was kind of annoyed about that. But make sure you be careful with the Shein description, because like I said, this was pictured all separated in a caboodle, whatever. So anyway, we have more accessories, I guess, and it wasn't the end of the world. It wasn't like that crazy expensive, but you know, I was still annoyed because I thought I was getting something that did not come. I got these are actually more for me, I think. I wear my hair down a lot when I go to Disney, and then I end up putting it up such as like this because it's very hot. But one thing I wore on my last trip was this beautiful pink bow, and I just loved how it looked. And so I bought like a whole bunch of them in different colors. So these are little barrettes. Uh-oh, I hear my dog barking. All right, so they come with these little barrettes, and just so whimsical and pretty. I forgot what the word of it is, but I don't know, very Taylor Swift-esque, I don't know, girly, all the things. So this came in a big pack of all different colors. We got baby blue, black, lavender, we got another pink one, white one, so, oh, and hot pink, of course. So I'm definitely gonna have a lot of bows to match all of my outfits when I go to Disney. All right, this is the last thing. I think my dog wants to join the vlog. You want to get up? Up? All right. Hi, everyone. Meet my dog, Bucky. You say hi to the vlog? Oh, no? You don't want to say hi to the vlog? Okay. All right. So this is the last thing. Again, there are these little bows. I don't know what I was expecting with this one, but these are the similar concept, but they're a lot like smaller. So again, a lot of different colors. These are like a satin bow, so they come blue, white, lavender, black, pink, ivory. We've got a forest olive green, we got a navy, mint, red, burgundy, and gold. So I don't know if I'll end up using these because like I really love those big bows better for me. Maybe I'll put them in like Lucia's hair eventually. I don't know, we'll see. But again, I think they were like a couple bucks or under. If I can find the price, I'll insert it into the video. All right, so I think that's gonna about do it for today's video. If you made it this far, go leave a shopping bag in the comments and tell me what was your favorite item. And we'll see you in the next one or at Disney. Thanks for watching, bye.
I've been all around the world, every city, every place.